Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how to easily disable AirPlay function on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also subscribe to our channel and write your comments after watching. So let us get started with you. And first things first, if you need to turn off this AirPlay feature right away, the quickest way to do that is to swipe your iPhone screen down from the right side. To go to the control center, where you'll just need to turn off Bluetooth. That is, if you have it glowing blue, just tap on it to turn it white. That way, you will pause the AirPlay function for a while. But if you want to completely disable this feature on your iPhone if you don't need it, then please open the settings on your iPhone and then select General, then AirPlay. Now select the very first option. This is Automatic AirPlay. Here you will be able to choose whether it will be always on, automatically on, or never on. If you want to disable it completely, select the first option and then you can go back. With these methods, you can easily disable AirPlay on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to comment and also be sure to like it. See you soon.